Okay, here's how to set up the chessboard. First of all, the lower right hand corner is a white square, no matter which side you sit on. Then the A1 square is white square. These are the ranks 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 8. These are the files. So white starts on this side. There's a row of pawns. Pawn, 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 pawn. Where's the other pawn? Okay. Then, so white's pawns go on the second rank. Black's pawns go on the 7th rank. Okay. Now, there's the object of the game is to capture the opponent's king. So the kings go across from each other. And the queen's next to the king, but on her own color. Bishop, bishop. The rooks go in the corners. The knights go between the bishops and the rooks.